Many people are curious about the types of applications Pocket 3D can support. Today, we will use a small test in a landscaped environment to demonstrate its data capture capabilities, outputs, and practical applications. Pocket 3D is lightweight and compact, allowing extended data collection with just one hand. For this landscaped environment, we used a standard capture workflow and completed all data collection in approximately 13 minutes. Back at the computer, one-click processing automatically generates colorized point clouds, panoramic images, and 3D Gaussian splatting results. You can freely toggle layers to display point cloud data, captured trajectories, panoramic viewpoints, and 3D Gaussian splatting data. Within the point cloud, we can create cross-sections and directly calculate the area of the flower bed. The system supports multiple measurements and automatically records the results. We can also measure two-point distances and horizontal distances, or quickly obtain building heights, tree diameters, and other data. In addition to basic measurements, annotation points can be added to mark locations such as camera installation positions. After entering a name for the point, the system automatically records its precise coordinates. In addition to point cloud-based measurements, the panoramic images are also precisely aligned with the point cloud data. By adjusting the transparency of the panoramic image, you can directly view the underlying point cloud data. This allows us to perform precise point measurements directly within the panoramic view. Measurements can also be performed smoothly and directly within the 3D Gaussian splatting data. Compared with traditional point cloud data, 3D Gaussian splatting delivers photorealistic visualization. Although this test did not follow the high-density capture workflow normally required for 3D Gaussian splatting, the resulting data still provides a clear and intuitive photorealistic 3D view of the entire environment. You can freely explore and interact with the data and share the results with tablets or mobile devices. Wherever you are, you can perform measurements, present results, and enjoy an immersive interactive experience. On mobile devices, you can even use a joystick to control a virtual character. You can also switch seamlessly between point cloud and 3D GS data to freely explore the 3D environment. Pocket 3D unlocks more possibilities for 3D applications.